Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today is going to be a bit more of a fun video where I explain my, I had to count my fingers in, 6 tips on how to make a YouTube channel in 2020. Now today the first tip is that of you need a smartphone. The first tip would be you need a smartphone because the smartphone has a camera on it and of course it has pretty much a computer in it that you can download editing apps on in order to edit videos, and it's pretty simple from there. Now the second tip would be that the quality of the videos do not matter at this stage. All you're making is content to go straight on your channel, and that's what you need, just straight up content, because if there's no apple on the apple tree, how can you make apple juice? I just thought that right now, that's kind of witty, to be fair. Not witty, that's kind of quick thinking. Right, that's the thing though, you need content. No one's going to come to your channel if you've got, yes, hello. Oh yeah, that brings me on to another thing. The title doesn't matter. The title needs to be interesting. It can't just be, look what I did today.
No one cares.
People want content, people want entertainment, okay? Now, as well, to go along with that, you cannot make silly thumbnails. Thumbnails are what drags in the viewers as well, especially. Like for me, when I look at videos such as vlogging videos, David Dobrik's ones, and all that, if it hasn't got like, let's say, because at the moment lockdown and all that, if there's not a video where it's like them videoing outside, then I don't click on it because I want videos of them vlogging when they're outside that I want to see for my own entertainment purposes. Now, for that, what you would need is 3 main areas on your thumbnail that you really need to go for in order to grab that audience. Number 1 would be text. If you don't have a little bit of text and all that, like fancy text and all that, with a bit of with the outline being bold so that you can see it properly, then no one cares. Simply. 2 would be a face. Like, if you've not seen my previous video, please go check it out now, because you'll see what I mean, because I have my face with this and all that in the thumbnail with fancy text. Now, a background as well. I have my bedroom as my background, so that pretty much goes well. I'm recording at my desk with my background, giving content, and that's getting the audience in. Now, as well, comes my 4th tip. Is it my 4th? Might be 3rd. 3rd or 4th. I'll edit this and I'll see. You need to download video editor apps. Like I said before, you need to download these apps. Now, the apps that I've got are Splice, and I've got a couple of others that I'm going to put in the video as images that you'll see now, and those are the ones that I use to create my videos. If you do need help with those editor apps and all that, and you don't know, and you're just starting up and you don't know what to do, please get this video to 10 likes, and then I'll upload a tutorial perhaps on how to use the ones I use. For example, like Splice. That one's quite easy, to be fair. I mean, if you don't get that, then you'll be, no, I'm joking. I'll help you out. But other than that, my last and final tip, 5. I've got 5 tips, and yeah, not 6. Alright, so 5. My 5th one would be that you need to get your account verified. If you go onto your YouTube and then go onto your settings, you should see a bit where, well, if you've got a computer, this would be really helpful. I mean, kind of where you do it, where you get your account verified. But on there, you should be able to see where you want to get your account verified in your channel settings, where you can then upload your custom thumbnails, as well as get monetized, as well as make playlists, I believe. Might be something like that anyway. But if you can get verified, then you can also style your channel. As you can see on my channel, if you go over to it, I've got uploads, or if you're new, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. This is your chance now to see how the layout changes as well. It should say for new visitors or something like that. and then show the channel trailer. But then if you subscribe and reload the page, then it comes up with different content. Now that's a good way of styling your page to make it more professional, and yeah, that's what's helped me out quite a bit. I think that's pretty much it across how to make a YouTube channel in 2020 if you're starting out. If it comes to it, if this video gets those 10 likes, like I've said, and it all goes well, put down in the comments whether you'd like to see an advanced tutorial, because that would really help me out then as well, because I can learn at the same time whilst giving you, because I'm not new to this, I've had a few channels before in the past, but I could then, as well as use my knowledge and give it to you lot, I could then also help improve myself. So without further ado, please like this video, subscribe, and follow my Insta at todd.midi, and everything will be cushy. So thank you for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.